signal is clear to you. The digital signal is, I said that it is always I said that constant. The first point, it is the digital signal is you can't vary. That I have given some idea, you can fill it, okay, digital signal, analog signal. And I said that always constant, but it can be either 0 or it can be either 1. Either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1, it can never be beyond this. If it is 0 or 1, then you can say that if it is, I said that 0 and 1, then it will be like this. If it is 0, then it is this signal, it is saying that 0 and it is, I said that 1. So it will go like this, and thereafter signal is moving 1 and then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1. So this signifies 0 and this signifies 0, but this signifies 1, 1, 1. So it is, I said that what you are able to see, it is looking like discontinuous, and it is in the discrete packet. This wave is discontinuous and discrete. Alag alag hai. Discontinuous and I said that discrete. So it is not a continuous, but the signal will be always constant, and it is in the form of what I said that binary value, means 0 1 0 1 0 1. That is clear to you. So this is your, I said that analog signal and I said that digital signal. My voice I said that radio voice, I said that TV sound, these are, I said that analog signal, these are, I said that analog signal. But at the same time, if I am measuring my temperature, if I am measuring my temperature through the mercury thermometer, this mercury thermometer, if you are watching with your eyes, then there some datas are given and you are not very accurate. Oh, that is suppose 98.4. Some line mark is given. Okay. Means if your measurement, now it is, I said that measurement is on the basis of line mark. Measurement is on the basis of line mark, then it is considered as, I said what, measurement on the basis of line mark, it is also considered as an, I said that analog, like I said that thermometer has some analog. And which thermometer I said? Mercury thermometer, and at the same time your wall clock is also analog signal. It is also considered as analog signal. Is not only in the form of wire it is moving, it is, I said that not is only in the form of waves, it is, I said that sound waves if I am talking about, it is also in the form of, I said that when the, if you are watching an, I said that wall clock, then the wall clock is like this, and you know that this is for 3 hours and this is for 3 hours and this is for 3 hours and this is for 3 hours, and whether it is in a small clock or whether it is a large clock, but you separate into 3 parts. That is in a size. You just say that you are not taking this size. If the clock is large, the same thing will become, like I said that the distance, this measurement is up to this, means ratio you are taking some measurement. Okay, this is, I said that it is 12, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, and here it is also 12, then equally divided it is 1, this is 2, this is 3. But the size is different, but you know that it should be 1. in the some watches you are not able to see the measurement and then some line marks, but even then you say that it is in a 1 o'clock, it is in a 1 o'clock, and after that 1 past 5, 1 past, you say that 5 minutes past 1, 10 minutes past 1, 15 minutes past 2, something you say that why you are able to say that you are able to see the measurement, and when something comes in the measurement it is also known as analog. In your mind you are watching the, I said that wall clock little far and you are calculating in your mind. What does it mean? This is considered an analog signal also. So your, I said that wall clock and mercury thermometer is a, I said that analog signal, but if I said that there is a digital thermometer and there is an, I said that there is a digital watch is also there. Just remember that digital thermometer means where the coding at the back is 0101 and you are able to say that it is, I said that 12, 12, 12 means 12 hour, 12 minute, 12 seconds. Very exact value, but this kind of thing you can't do in the analog signal. In your digital thermometer, what you can say that this is, I said that 98.61, but you cannot measure in your analog thermometer, that is in mercury, that you are saying somewhere 98.5, 98.6. It is, I said that it is in some measurement line is there, accuracy is not there completely. So analog it is also considered as, but in the wire it is moving, it is also analog, electric impulse, volts which is moving, because the electric current and volts are also, I said that not, it is in a fixed, with respect to time it varies because of the some kind of interference. So where there is a continuous but variation, that is analog signal, and at the same time if there is a measurement is involved, some particular ratio, that is also known as analog signal. And digital signal, what I said that it is always it has a constant value and it will be, I said that always constant, discontinuous it is, because sometimes it is 0, sometimes 1, sometimes 0, sometimes 1. Therefore, it is measured in the form of, I said that is square bracket. You can be able to say that it is in a square bracket, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the way. And digital signal, you can be in the, in your, I said that wall clock. What is the function of wall clock? Only giving time, but there is a digital clock. What information you can be through the digital clock, you can get the time also, you can get your, I said that your BMI index also, what is your weight, what should be your, how much you should walk, and there are several information, means in the digital clock you can store several datas in the form of 0, 1. So it is the highest level of storage and it is the lowest level of information. It can have, a digital has, what is I said, this is the digital era, not an analog era, but at the same time, in, if you will say that if you will go to a particular hotel and if there is a large analog clock is there, then you get fascinated, it is looking good. At some time analog you cannot discard, analog is important in the life of our, I said that everywhere. Sometimes the people are do not believe in the digital, I said that thermometer, possibly it is not giving correct measurement. You sometimes you don't believe it, because there may be in a sensor which is not working, because it is working on the basis of sensor. So I said that there is some plus point and there is some negative points. So still I said that both have importance, both have importance. Maybe your mercury thermometer cannot move here and there, it can give somewhere, you analyze it is 99.6. But if the digital thermometer sensor is not working, then it start giving different kind of values. So therefore I said that both have the same importance in the present time, but if I have to store lots of data, I said in the MB and GB it is in the small chip, but it cannot be in the form of analog. So, digital is something, analog is something, analog signal and there is a digital signal. And one thing I have told you that whatever I am speaking, it is an analog, and through the software of the computer it is converted into digital, and then now it is coming to you and there it is converted digitally into again analog. Therefore, you are able to listen yourself, yes or not? You are able to listen my class through the analog signals, clear? Digitally you are not, but you are able to see that there is an importance of, I said, analog signal as well as digital signal. So, now I have given some idea about it, and I said to teach you analog, I start keeping my voice variation, because you know that analog signal has a variation. So, sometimes I can be a loud, I can be in a low. So, this is the only one thing that you should know a bit about it, analog and digital. Now, again we will listen how I said that there is a, we will see about modem and we will see about router, we will see about, I said that a little bit about your personal area network, personal area network. And you know that suppose you are living in a particular, I said that in society, and in the society there is an, I said, in 100 meter or maybe in a 1 kilometer range, there is, I said, I am telling you each and everything in the form of story. I can go for pan, man, van, land, different kind of things, but I am teaching you in the form of story so that you can be able to connect. There is an, I said that you are living in a society and you are taking, I said that your internet connection from the particular, I said that internet service provider. In your locality maybe an internet service provider is there. He is providing you, I said that, internet connectivity through which you are getting the datas, and how you are getting the datas at your home, that I am going to explain. Clear? And for that I need modem, router and PAN. Clear? So, I said that suppose this is one I said there is one, I said that internet service provider, ISP, internet service provider, he has a large server, and through the server he is, I said that and it is a large server, and he has a modem. Before coming up to, I said that my question is which signal can move far distance? Which signal can move far distance? Low frequency or high frequency? Yes, tell me. I should go for this low frequency or high frequency. Now, my question is, which signal which signal can move far distance? My question is, which signal can move far distance? Low frequency or high frequency? Everyone, I have taught you earlier, perhaps if you remember, I have taught you earlier. Which frequency can move far distance, low frequency or high frequency? Which signal can move far? Which signal can move far? Now, my basic question is there. Suppose I said this is a wire, I said that very good answer Brijesh, very good answer. This is the wire and here I am talking about 440 volt. Perhaps you know that 440 volt means I said that 440 potential difference means at one end there will be 440 and another end is 0, and if it is so that the current will move accordingly. And one wire I am talking about, I said in one wire I am talking about there is now 220 or 240 volt that we are getting in our home also, 240 volt. It is 240 volt means one end is 220 volt, another it is I said that and on the other side is 0 volt. So, in which current or electron will move fast? In which current or electron will move fast? I am giving them better ideas to all of you. In which current will move fast, 440 volt or 220 volt, 240 volt? In which case current will move fast, 440 or 240? It is a logic. I am not asking that you have studied or not, it is on the basis of your logic. I said that if I am running my bike with the 440 and I am running my bike with the 240, who will reach fast? So, this is the same thing, if the volt is 240 and 440, who will move fast? 240 volt will move fast or 440 volt will move, in which one current or electron will move fast? Again I am giving an example. I said that if I am running my bike with